with me, she know that it's a vibe. But she don't get that from them other guys. No way. She call my phone, you know that I'ma slide. One call, I kill it every time I hum her. Hold up. When she with me, she know that it's a vibe. And she don't get that from them other guys. She call my phone, you know that I'ma slide. I kill it every time I hum her side. I don't call her slip.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got my little helper here with me today, and today we're gonna be installing a winch on the car hauler. So everybody, this is London. This is my daughter London. She's a little bit hyper on her right now, but we're gonna be installing this winch that I got from Harbor Freight onto the car hauler. Yeah.
Daddy, can I hold the camera?
In a minute. I had a couple jobs that I wanted to do. The cars were dead. I couldn't get them up on the trailer, so I went out and bought this little winch. Now, granted, it's not a big winch. Something to get me by for right now. It's just the Badland 5000.
Josh, but you don't touch this. Daddy touched this.
So why are you touching it if Daddy?
Because I just got it out, guys. You don't know what he's saying.
Oh my God, put it back in the box. But I already pre-wired it, hooked it up, make sure everything worked before I did the install. So I got some longer bolts, some longer 5/16 bolts that I'm gonna be using to bolt this thing down, and also a drill bit to drill through the metal on the top of the trailer. So y'all stay tuned with me. We're gonna get this thing mounted up, and I'm probably gonna let London do some cameraing, some holding the camera. So if the camera's a little shaky, yeah, it's all London's fault. But yeah, we gotta clean this thing off and sweep it off. Are you gonna sweep my trailer off and make it clean and pretty and shine the tires up? Okay, cool. All right, guys. So we got our.
Let me hold it.
Wait a minute, London. All right, guys. So we got our 3/8 drill bit. I said 5/16, but it's a 3/8 drill bit that we're gonna be using to punch these holes in the trailer. Got my camera girl here, and she just really wants to record herself. She really don't want to record me, but that's not how it works.
So there's Daddy. Here's me. But the other kids is in the house.
All right, so we're gonna spin that camera around, and then you're gonna record me. Okay?
Stop, you cut your hand, stop.
Come on a little bit. Grab the camera.
If you want to take on time, you can. Okay. Yeah, the camera. Alright, y'all, so there's Daddy. Right there. But look at him, already fixing the trailer. Guys, I must go get the water right quick. I'm gonna go get the water, guys.
All right, so we got it pretty much bolted down to the trailer frame. Pretty sturdy, pretty locked in. Probably gonna get my boy to come back through and tack weld it in there. But yeah, me start plumbing this wire, try to figure out where I want to mount this box and everything. And I gotta find me a battery tray or something. But for the most part, hey man, that's how it sits. It looks tiny on this big ass trailer though. Like I said, it's only a 5,000 pound winch for right now. And that's another reason I didn't weld it in. All right, so I got this thing wired up. A little makeshift stuff going on right now. You wanna help? Go put that up right quick. So I got my little helper here still. So, are you ready to push this button? Wait, look what I need you to do. You see the top button right there? Hit it one time. All right, hold. That's the button I need you to push. Wait until Daddy tell you to push it, okay? When Daddy tell you to push it, that's when I want you to push it, okay? Hold on. All right, go ahead. All right, so she's working. Cool. Push it again. All right. Stop. Push the other one. Yeah. Good job. All right, stop. All right, hold it right there for a second. Wait. No, don't touch that battery. Here, stand in the middle. All right, when I tell you to push it, I want you to push the bottom one, okay? Push the bottom one. All right, stop. All right, go ahead, push it. The bottom one. Stop. Good job. All right, guys, so we got our winch set up, my little helper. Got it all set up. We got it stretched to the back. Thanks to London. Thank you, London. Thank you, London. All right. All right, guys, so yeah, we got it all mounted up. Pretty much everything works. I was gonna mount the control. London, wait a minute, we're going in a second. 1 second. You can sit it on the styrofoam. I'm just packing them. Okay, well, don't cut yourself. Give me these so you don't cut yourself. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, we got everything working properly. I'm actually going to, I'll get it in a second. I'm actually going to go to Harbor Freight or somewhere and try to find me a little box to put the control module and hide some of these wires. I was going to mount it under the trailer, but I think it looks kind of tacky once you, if you're not towing it. I don't have a battery tray yet either. What's this what we're looking like so far, man? Little 5,000 pound, man. Little something to get me started, man. Once I make a little bit of money with it, I'll think, consider selling it, upgrading to a bigger one. But I think for this trailer, it'll do what it needs to do. What do you want to say to them? Guys,
we are putting all the stuff in the house, so it's supposed to rain.
Yeah, it's about to rain, so we're about to.
Yeah. Yeah, so we can hurry up into a rain, and then when we go at night, we're gonna pop some firecrackers.
Yes, we are. Okay.
But we're gonna get some later.
Yep. Got something on your face. Got it.
So, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe,
and hit that bell. Notification button.
Notification button. Give me a huge thumbs up. A big thumbs up. I can't.
Let me see. What do you want them to do?
I want y'all to make sure you want to see some more of our videos.
Mm-hmm. And
if you want to see more videos of us, comment down below.
Good job, baby. Yeah, y'all heard what she said. Yeah, she said what she said. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's a wrap, man. So we gonna finish cleaning up and go take a shower, man. It's hot hot as hell out here.
We gotta hurry up and get in the house.
All right, well, y'all heard what she said. We gotta go. So, like she said, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that for your boy. We'll see y'all on the next video.